Good morning everyone, my name is Aisha Siddiqui and I am the narrator of this story. Once upon a time, there lived three billy goat brothers named Big Gruff, Bigger Gruff and the Biggest Gruff. They all lived on the one side of the river in Goat City. On the another side of the river was a hill with tall grasses. One day, the goats decided to cross the only bridge in the city to eat some of the grass. But the problem was that under a bridge lived a mean, horrible and a huge troll. Hello everyone. And he was hungry too. Well, who wants to be hungry? So, the big billy goat Gruff decided to cross the bridge. Who is that trip-trapping over my bridge?
That's me, big billy goat Gruff.
I will eat you for my breakfast.
Oh, do not think I am too small. Drink for my food is better to eat.
Oh, alright, you can go.
Trip-trap, 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 trip-trap.
The troll let the big billy goat Gruff go. Next, bigger billy goat Gruff trip-trapped across the bridge. Who is that trip-trapping over my bridge?
It's me, bigger billy goat Gruff.
I will eat you for my lunch.
Oh, don't eat me. My brother is bigger. Wait for him.
Oh, alright, you can go.
Trip-trap, 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 trip-trap.
The troll let the bigger billy goat Gruff go. Later, the biggest billy goat Gruff trip-trapped across the bridge.
Trip-trap, 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 trip-trap.
Who is that tripping over my bridge?
It's me, the biggest billy goat Gruff.
I will eat you for my dinner.
You think so? Come and try.
No!
Trip-trap, 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 trip-trap.
So, the bigger and the biggest billy goat Gruff went to eat the grass, while the silly troll went for a swim. Oh no! So, the moral of the story is, be brave and smart to face your problems.
Thank you.